TBC TV viewers.
We are going to present to you nationally. He has had
UAE, UK, and the U.
So we are extremely honored and elated to have you on this occasion today. We would also like to welcome Mr. Chandrajit Banerjee, Director General CIA. So we are extremely honored and elated to have you on this occasion today. We would also like to welcome Mr. Chandrajit Banerjee, Director General CIA.
Mr. V. Vivekanand, President, RISIMA, distinguished dignitaries, diplomats.
I would like to express that ICMA, the Indian Construction Equipment Manufacturers Association, is proud to be a sector. As always, to guide the regulars in the coming years as we make strides.
Dignitaries on the dais to proceed.
As a tribute to his extraordinary legacy and his passion for transformative ideas,
and if I may request everyone to kindly just seats, commencing with the inaugural lecture to our Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji. Thank you.
Ji, Gitanjali Kirloskar, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. Well, we reflect upon many of the roles that
Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, Mr. Chandrajit Banerjee, Director.
respectable Srimati Gitanjali Kirloskar, the Chairperson of Kirloskar Society.
Appreciating our Honorable Minister for such a phenomenal lecture.
Good.